This is purple radish microgreens, and the seeds are really big. I think I started it on Tuesday, and here it is Saturday. It's already ready to eat, but I am gonna let it get a little bit taller. But on this one, I just used the strainer and the dehydrator mat. No dirt, no clay pebbles, because I plan on eating this when it gets maybe another inch taller, probably tomorrow. Maybe today, I don't know. And some of the leaves come out green even though it's the same strain. It's just one of those things that happens. It tastes just like eating a radish. And it's really fun to look at the roots. So this was from the one tray being harvested. I think if you were to buy this in the store, it'd be at least $5. I've never seen it at the store, to be honest, not this kind. So I got a salad spinner from Amazon. I'm just gonna spin these out and eat it for lunch. The centrifugal force of the universe. Yeah, this is getting to be a lot of food I'm growing myself. I made all this garden mix salad with various sprouts, red leaf lettuce, butter lettuce. So right now I'm starting to get this much lettuce on a daily basis, but I did harvest a bunch that's not going to grow back, so always good to be starting new batches of lettuce. Here's the radish sprout. I'm just going to do a little because I think it's pretty powerful. And then went to Foodland, got some of their famous poke, and putting that on top. And we got an awesome lunch.